loves, welcome to my channel. Tonight, or today, I want to do a special subscriber unboxing, and this is my little ghost plush. I haven't had a name for it yet, so we will see. But I want to show you my unboxing that I've been holding off for, I'd say 3 weeks now. I'm not used to this setup, and the lighting is really bad right now, so I'm so sorry for the lighting and all that stuff. I also thought I lost my shirt, but I actually didn't. It was in the bag with it. I don't know what that's about. So I'm wearing this white blouse. It's pretty cute. So this is the box that I received, and it has no room on this screen. So I actually did unbox it before, just to check and make sure that the contents were correct. But I just want to show you what I got. So this is a huge box, so I don't know if you can guess what's in here. We will start with the smaller stuff. So this is the smaller stuff. I don't know if you can see it because the lighting is really bad. And I actually can't see currently. How do you open this? Wait. I was gonna save this packaging. Okay. Oh, there's nothing in here? Wait. I organized this before I even... Okay, so I got this from the Black Butler Ciel. I was gonna say Book of Atlantic, but this one is from the school arc. So I got this little acrylic. I don't know if you can see that. Okay, maybe not. The glare is really bad. Don't judge me. And then I got these super cute things. I got this little keychain. I did post it to my reels, but I didn't actually show it on live camera. It's super cute. I'm probably going to use it for one of my bags. And then I got the little Ciel acrylic, no, not really charm, but this figure. If I break this, I swear. Is there... I'm supposed to be careful with this stuff, but I'm actually not being very careful. So there's the mini Ciel that comes with the little stand. I don't know why my camera's not focusing. I'm so sorry for the bad quality. It's super cute, so I got that one too. And then I got this special one. I got this. So you can't really see it, but it's actually the brooch. I'm just gonna have to rip the packaging. I did get 2 cute stickers, one of Alhaitham and one of Ayato from Genshin Impact. And then I got this little brooch from Black Butler. I would keep saying Book of Circus, Book of Atlantic. No, Book of... Wait, what? It's a school arc. It's from the Weston College. I can't say anything. So I got this little cutie, and I think I will be cosplaying Ciel soon, but probably after this whole chaotic move is done. And then I got this super cute bow. It's like silky. It's just like this one, but it's a light blue one. And the last item on this list, which I have been waiting for this for a very long time, and I was trying to find the right opportunity to grab it. I don't know how many of these are left, so please don't come after me. I got this little cute snake charm with it. It's super cute. I gotta move this box. It's too big. So, I did end up getting this because I saw it and I was like, I really would like that. Let me unwrap this. pretty much already destroyed this, so don't tell Sebastian. Okay, well, I ripped off the hat by accident, so... So this is the Phantom Bitter Rabbit, and you can actually bend its ears. It only bends like a little bit, I guess. So he comes with a little cape, and I didn't break this. It comes with a little hat too. Yeah, I think this is gonna get wrecked before it even unboxes. Let me just take off his accessories because it's kind of annoying. His eye patch is falling off. It's supposed to go like this. Wait, what? I actually never used the eye patch for mine. And he has a little bow. And where's that bow that I just... What? I got this little bow for him. So I actually want to change it out and put this on him because I think it would be super cute. Maybe I should have kept this in the packaging because I'm already damaging it and it's already breaking apart. Totally not my fault. This was not the product design. So he's supposed to sit like that and leave me alone. You know what? I wouldn't be shocked if Sebastian put cameras in that thing. I want to put this little bow on him because I think it's cute. I got this at TJ Maxx for like $6, I think. If I break this, will you guys forgive me for breaking this? Okay, so his cape does come off. I'm taking this off because I'm about to break this. And I want to change out the bow. I guess you can't change out the bow, but I'm just going to have to put a bow on top of this bow. Okay, that kind of works. I mean, it kind of works. If I break this, please don't judge me. So this is what I purchased, and he's super cute. I want to take some photos with him, so I'm going to do a little photo shoot, but I want to say a huge thank you to all my subscribers, and thank you for watching my channel as it grows and evolves. Hopefully you get to learn a little bit about me and what I do, as well as join me on my journey of moving and collecting merchandise and cosplaying. It's kind of a, it's a crazy, it's kind of crazy. I don't really like this hat. I get like messy hair. But I created this channel with the intent to grow my fans as well as interact with everyone else. And I began my dream in 2013 when I began cosplaying Ciel. I'll probably put photo here, but I began in 2013, 2012. And after that, I kind of was on break for a while, and then I recently started cosplaying Ciel again. And that's kind of how I got into this. And then I started merch collecting, and as you can see, it's kind of gotten out of hand. And with the move, it's been even harder because I don't know where to put stuff, because honestly I have no room for anything and I need to stop buying merch, but I just can't help myself. I also wanted to give you loves an update on what's been going on with me, because honestly it's been way too long since I've been in front of the camera, and I gave the little mini room tour, but I feel like that wasn't enough to explain what's going on with me. A ton's going on, I guess. I've moved into a new place, and I'll have a moving video about what happened and why I had to stop YouTube for a while. It was kind of chaotic. I think I stopped YouTube for, I'd say, a month. I was on and off, but I really need to focus on my mental health and well-being for moving to this new place and also getting the documents in order and all that. So thank you, a huge thank you for all my I can't speak. Thank you to all my supporters, my fans, and subscribers. I welcome you all to my channel. And if you have any questions, comments, concerns, I don't think you have any concerns, but I'm always around and just hanging out. And it's a good community on here. I haven't had any issues so far. And the reason why I'm being quiet is because I actually have people below me, and hopefully they don't hear me, but I don't know. So that is my adventures, and I will catch you loves later. Stay tuned for the photo shoot that I end up doing and the dance that I will actually be doing for this, and I will see you loves later. So basically what I did, because this hat wasn't staying, I actually wrapped it around the ears twice, and then I actually put it in the back and did a little bow so it actually stays on. And I don't know what to do about this eye patch. I might change it, might not. I did fix the bow, and I want this bow. I don't really like the black bow, so that's just gonna have to be like it is. I just want to see if this if I put this on here, I'm like, maybe. I'm like, I don't think it would fit him, and also it would probably fall off. So it comes with a little cape, and it comes with the little eye patch, the hat, and it's pretty soft. So this is, they said online that it was 3 feet, but I don't know. It's pretty cute, and I'll probably put it in my bed. Hopefully I don't damage it, like I said. It's very squishy and cuddly, but I think this also might get stained easily, so just be careful. I don't know how much these are going for. The last that I checked was 600, and it could range from 400 to 900 easily. I don't know how many are left. I think they're all out of stock. But if you find them, definitely worth it.